show. I guess Mike will officially say this is our heel of a deal. This is from Skechers, the company that we know and love, and this is an all textile faux fur plush slipper. I don't know about you, but I am always cold. When I go to the movies, I am always cold. This is something I would take to see. I haven't seen Black Widow yet because I'm not caught up on all my Marvel movies, but when I go to see Jungle Cruise or West Side Story, this is a shoe that I would wear. My Deirdre actually has a Skechers shoe very similar to this. Unfortunately, we're the same size, so mom is often stealing it. So this is an amazing price. And the big deal here is the fact that not only is our most affordable item in the show, not only is this under $25 called the Cozy Campfire, and we'll do colors. There's something about this slipper that is like unlike any other. So let's talk about the customer top rated metallics, okay? The first one is your pewter. So if you love your silver, you're like a diamond in the sky, you got that one going. This is something to take out and get coffee right now. And then we also have it in the beauty of rose gold. So you guys have given these two designated customer top rated, but they're still under $25. There's still 4 easy payments of $625. I have to say it here again, my mom again, can't leave it there, okay? And then we go into what looks like suede, but it's textile. So if you don't wear leather, we're good to go. We have it for you in that beautiful navy. We have it in gray. And this is all faux fur on the inside. It feels amazing. We have it in black. And then if you love to walk on the wild side, we have it in our gorgeous black leopard. Now we'll take a look at this on our Ashley. This is a shoe to put on in the morning with your shorts and run around, especially when the air conditioning is on. But the big thing before we do colors again is that most slippers come in small, medium, large, extra large. So the small is like a 5'6" and a medium is a 7'8". And guess what? I wear a size 7, I don't wear a size 8. Rarely do you see slippers in half sizes. Rarely do you see slippers in medium and wide. So this is like a shoe that thinks it's a slipper and a slipper that thinks it's a shoe. And the most important thing is you can get a custom fit, which is so rare in the world of slippers. But the reason why is we know you're gonna wear this out. It needs to be a true on Skechers shoe. So we'll go through the colors and then we'll bring Angela into the conversation. In the metallics, we have pewter, we have rose gold, medium and wide, whole and half sizes, most affordable shoe in the show. In the solids, I have it for you in navy, we have gray, we have black, and then what Ashley's wearing is the black leopard. It's 30% off. It's the most affordable item in the show. It's the lowest easy pay in the show. I don't even notice it, of $6.25. And then again, we are getting a beautiful shoe that is in medium and wide, whole and half sizes. Rare in the world of slippers. So Angela is part of the Skechers team. She's joining us live. This is a loved shoe, Angela, but it's low priced. It's not coming back, and it has that Skechers DNA. So in the few minutes we have left, can you talk about what Skechers infused into the slipper that makes it think it's a shoe, but you know, it's as cozy as our little fireside slipper?
I like how you said that. It's very confused because you really can wear it like a shoe. I think starting with that outsole, we're giving you an EVA flexible outsole. That's what we put in sneakers and performance footwear. So we love to give you innovation from Skechers, but also just a cute style. So you know you have so much traction underneath. So if you need to run out, no problem, walk the dog, whatever. And you're getting support. That's one thing I love about it because I need slippers to give me support now. My feet can't just go in any old slipper at this point. So you're getting a lot of like that midsole support, as well as the memory foam on the inside, which I'm sure you can feel right now.
Yeah.
It's the most amazing memory foam. And we've covered it with that luxe faux fur. So
Angela,
like
I have to do a little bit of business right now. Our phone lines are to say they're jammed. This is like, what is it? It's Friday or Friday at 6 o'clock. It's just like that road near you that you just sit in traffic and wait. That's what's happening. So my best advice for everybody is if you have downloaded our QVC app, which is free, tap that. It's quick to download it, so you might want to do that right now. If you can go to QVC.com, please do that as well. We've sold 1,500 and we are so backed up on the lines. We have 1,800 people attempting to place their order. But the other thing, Angela, like, you know, we love Skechers here at QVC. You're one of our most beloved brands, but most slippers come in small, medium, and large. And so you're not really getting a true shoe fit. And this is so rare because it's a slipper that gives us a true shoe fit.
It's that true customized fit, just like you said. And this is a great time to get these because I've been shopping and buying Christmas gifts already. So I'm in that mode. I also wanted to mention I have 3 daughters, and all 4 of us ladies in the house, my husband doesn't have these particular pair, but all 4 of us wear these throughout the year, where they're still wearing them through the summer because they truly are so comfortable.
Well, 2 words, air conditioning. Like we recently went to see our first movie. It was about 2 months ago when we could first go back to the movies. And my daughter wore a faux fur slipper. I don't know if you guys go out on the back deck at night or the patio at night, but if it's been hot all day and then suddenly the sun is down, the moon is out, there's a breeze blowing, I've brought blankets out to the deck on like 4th of July for people to cuddle up in. So this is a year-round shoe. It's one of the buy now, wear now. But to say tuck it away for holidays, yes, because it's not coming back in stock. And it is the first day we're seeing it at this low price of $24.98. The metallics are so beautiful. That's rose gold or pewter. In the pewter, fewer than 1,000. Only 1,700 in the rose gold. And that's a really pretty material. This is unusual. I haven't seen this before in any of the Skechers styles, Angela.
I know, that's my favorite one. That's the one that I have. I just think you put it on and you're happy immediately. It gives you that extra sparkle, but it's not too much, blended with that faux fur. And it's really soft to the touch. So it might look a little rough, but it's really not. It's
it's totally smooth. Totally smooth.
And that stitching as well is beautiful, I think.
Yeah,
right?
on the outsole.
Yeah,
so cute. So again, in our metallics, rose gold and pewter very limited. In our solids, we have your navy blue, 600 left. We have your gray. We have your black popped with gray. And then if you want that walk on the wild side like our Angela loves, take a look at the black leopard. So Angela, thank you so much. It was great having you here. Say hi to the girls
Thanks
for
for
us.
having me.
Our pleasure. Thank you. And remember, this is Christmas in July. This is gift shopping. This is you shopping, but it's also an exercise in patience, right?